Hi, I will guide you to use menu grabs for pie charts. This menu aims to view the description of qualitative data in the form of a circle diagram. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an iris.csv file. You can get this iris.csv data by clicking Download iris.csv. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Grabs menu, then select the Pie Chart sub-menu. A display like this will appear. Please select a qualitative variable in the Select Variable section. For example, I choose the variety variable. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, a result like this will appear, which is the plot display. In pie charts, there are three features, namely the chart from selection feature, the label display feature, and the chart title input feature. To select this feature, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. In the sidebar box, there is a selection of the type of diagram or type of pie charts, namely diagrams with standard shapes and diagrams in the form of donuts. For example, I choose a donut shaped graphic type. To display labels, there are two types, namely labels in the form of a percent and the form of text. Please select the label display you want. For example, I choose both. Then give the title to the input title on chart. For example, I give the title of the chart My Pie Charts. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Grabs menu for pie charts.